This is my Smith & Wesson 1522 standard model. And there's my Ruger 1022. I'm resighting it in today because I had the scope off to put in the Volquartsen ejector blade. And by the way, nothing makes it jam now with that Volquartsen ejector blade. It's a fun gun to shoot, no doubt about it. A real good investment. Mini mags. Wow. It's a fun gun to shoot, no doubt about it. A real good investment. This thing they put on there for your finger or thumb on both sides, what a difference. Makes loading so much easier. I did have one failure to fire. You can see that it barely hit the rim. Now that's not because the gun likes and dislikes stuff. That's a malfunction of the gun. The laws of physics. Some long shots. That's pretty much luck.